I appreciate you attending this meeting. Did I have a choice? No, you did not. Either way, our last few skits have done pretty well, but there's always room for improvement. So what are your thoughts? How many times do I have to tell you this? We could and should be doing more. We have the skills, we have the potential, but we're still stuck doing basic random shit. Joe, right now we have two major problems: manpower and ideas. Skill is something we have an abundance of at the moment. That is not the bottleneck. We have a solution for manpower, and you know it. And we've already discussed why that's not a good idea. On to the other issue then. We're short on ideas. Do you have anything? Actually, I do. Okay, what do you have? Okay, so listen to this. How about we make a skit like how we would normally make, but instead of Joe being in this one, just no one's in it. What? Yeah, there's no main character. Okay, I'm just gonna say what I have now. What if we do a zombie movie, but instead of zombies infecting humans, humans are infecting zombies with the coronavirus? No. That is way too on the nose and won't age well. But what about this? A cinematic universe of watching paint dry. That's an absolutely terrible idea. What if we did the Illuminati, the high school years? You see, getting murdered by a secret society is not very high on my bucket list. But what if we did Funyuns, the musical? That sounds deliciously terrible. Here's a good one. What if we did exactly what alternative content does, but we call ourselves Different Productions? I don't think Quinn would like that. It'd be great. Instead of bits, clips, and skits, we could do bits, shits, and clits. Who are you calling?
Hello?
Hey, Quinn, it's Joe. Other Joe wants to know if he can copy pretty much everything alternative content has done up to this point. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely fucking not.
No? Okay, I was just checking. Thanks. Bye. Damn. Guess that isn't gonna work. That was just unnecessary. Okay, what about this? A medieval rom-com thriller that takes place, and get this, ye old Walmart. See, that would be a great idea, if it wasn't absolutely fucking terrible. What if we did this? Instead of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, we make It's Never Sunny in Pittsburgh, where every day we just shoot in different places in the rain around Pittsburgh. Why would we even bother with that idea when we could be making a medieval rom-com thriller? Because we like to make videos that make sense, not just some random anachronistic bullshit? I don't know what that word means, but it sounded extremely rude, so I'll reason with you. Why don't we find a location that isn't a medieval Walmart? No, but how about we make a compromise on my part where we just occasionally film on cloudy days so we're not always soaked in the rain? That doesn't make your idea absolutely any better. But what if I change my settings slightly? So instead of medieval Europe, we go to feudal Japan. Joe, what about this? I have an idea. Here it is. What if we remake 2.5 Men in Pittsburgh, but instead of like a half person being like a little kid or whatever, we just cut Tyler in half and use his legs and they could just like run around or whatever. Joe. That's a terrible idea. We can't keep living in Charlie Sheen's shadow. We've lived our entire lives in Charlie Sheen's shadow. We can't keep doing it. What about this? What about a documentary about the love lives of Greco-Roman soldiers after their empires fell? What? Oh, I can't believe you fell asleep during an ideation meeting, you silly fuck. Joe, get up. Fuck. We have to figure out what ideas we came up with last night. Fine. Joe, you got something, right? Shut up. Never mind then. I'm just gonna start looking through and let's try and figure out what we came up with last night. Joe, are you seeing anything remotely coherent in all this? Absolutely nothing. All of this is actually like depressingly bad. The best idea I'm seeing here is Funyuns the musical. Well, that's unfortunate. But we might be able to get Funyuns to sponsor that. Oh yes, Joe. What a great idea that would be. Do you think we should just start from the beginning? Yeah, probably. But that means we're gonna need more liquor. So, I'll handle that.